Once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a panda who lived at the foot of a tea mountain. Okay. Every day he would look up at the mountain and sigh because he really wanted to climb it. A strong wind blew through the valley, and the panda smelled something wonderful. It smelled like sweet dreams and warm fuzzies. He followed his nose and found a small pot of tea at the base of the mountain. Suddenly, he felt a warm, fuzzy feeling all over, and he fell fast asleep. When he woke up, he found that he could understand what the birds were saying. And the birds told him that if he climbed the tallest tree in the forest, he would become the wisest panda in the world. The panda had never seen tea before, but he really wanted some. But he was a panda, and it was a very steep mountain. So he never tried. Who could see his house from where he was sitting? And it seemed so small compared to the giant mountain he had just climbed. But most of all, he was grateful to the tea fairy for helping him on his journey. From that day on, the panda became known as the wisest panda in the forest, and he always remembered to ask for help when he needed it. One day, though, something amazing happened. Now, usually when animals find tea, they do one of two things. They either take it back to their cave to enjoy later, or they make a wish upon the tea. You see, when animals drink tea, they get one wish, but only if they ask for it. But when he woke up, nothing had changed. He was still the same old panda. But as he was climbing down, he heard a little voice that said, "Hey, you forgot your tea." The panda looked around, but he couldn't see anyone. Then he saw the tiny house of a tea fairy sitting on a leaf. This panda didn't know that, though. So he simply poured the tea into a cup and drank it all in one gulp. So the panda did just that. He climbed to the top of the tree and made a wish to become the wisest panda in the world. Otherwise, they'll fall asleep. She also told him that the tea has magical properties that can help him on his journey. Disappointed, he decided to climb down the tree and go back home. Now that he knew he needed to ask for help, the panda poured the tea into a cup and said, "Oh, great tea, help me to climb this mountain." And with that, he drank the tea and began his journey. The tea fairy explained that when an animal drinks her tea, they get a wish, but they have to ask for it. The panda thanked the tea fairy and set off again, this time to climb the tea mountain. It was much easier this time, and soon he was at the top of the mountain, looking out over the valley below. The panda was very proud of himself for reaching the top of the mountain.